Hello and happy gardening. It's Dr. Evette. This video is a vlog, me showing us planting up our 2 feet garden beds, which I will link in the description box. We got these from Amazon, but we decided on some smaller beds because we wanted to grow some things like carrots and our own okra. And so if this is something that you're interested in, or if you just want to see us garden, please keep watching. One thing I will share with you about these 2 feet garden beds, they are sturdy, but if you use any type of heavy equipment to put your dirt in, it may make them collapse a little bit here on the side like you can see in this bed. And also fire ants, because we planted right over the top of grass, fire ants got into the bed. So we treated it with 7 dust. We are getting as much done as possible. As you can see, Mert here is kind of tilling the soil because we brought in fresh soil on a dump truck, and we're adding different amendments to it: potting soil, cow manure, biotone starter, just to get the beds just right for growing. Here I am sitting in a chair, enjoying the sun. I'm not doing too much because I had been very, very sick, but it was great to sit out and do what I can and get some vitamin D. How many carrots go in the hole? 4 seeds. 4 seeds.
But if you would get 4,
Because they're so tiny. Felix. My helper always use a ruler to make sure that we get the depth of the seed in the ground at the right depth. There are recommended depths for each seed. We find it best to hand trench because hand trenching allow you to put biotone and any other fertilizer in the trench right next to where you planted the seed so that it flows inward towards the seed. It's better than putting it right in the ground where the seed actually is, because if you don't know, some fertilizer can burn the plant and burn up the seed. That part of the dirt don't look as rich as the other one.
Right.
You know, see, I don't know where I. How many carrots go in the hole? Four seeds. Four seeds.
4 seeds. But if you could get 4,
Because they're so tiny. Felix.
what spider web thing came from?
Tell.